Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? In this video, we will discuss about the MB51, very frequently used uh, uh, utility in SAP, which allows you to extract a listing of material documents depending upon your selection criteria. For example, you have a certain number of vendors for which you want to extract their all the material documents which have been processed in SAP. So you would run MB51, right? In order to log on, you will click in here. So this will take you directly to SAP, right? And and here you can write the MB51, MB51. This is what we are doing manually, but you can do it automatically as well, right? So we are just focusing on what we want to do in MB51 screen. So we want to shortlist a certain number of suppliers, and we want to get their all the material documents which have been processed. Okay, so we click this button. This allows you to have a multiple selection. Okay, and single values you can enter here. Okay, so for example, the first value you enter is 10039. Another value you enter, say, so suppose these are the suppliers for which these are the multiple selection for the supplier, right? And you click OK. So you will find that this green mark will appear on this button that shows that there are certain multiple selection, some parameters have some selection criteria is available on which the report is going to be executed, right? So to see what are there, so you can just click in here and you will see that what are the solution. And the selection can be in as a single value as well as a certain range. Mm. And within the range, there can be a certain subset range, subset of single values. If you want, say, start from 101 to 201, exclude the 151. So 151, except the 151, all the values from 101 to 201 will be there, but that would not include the single value. And you can also have multiple exclusions by putting some range. Okay, so these are self-explanatory. Now we are using here only the single values, right? And we say this is we are done with it. And the next is we can execute it. So this will go through the entire log, and whenever these uh, any documents were processed for the selected supplier, so they will be shown. So, and so there are different dates of posting. There are different quantities of materials, right? And their unit of meter and some uh, plants, for which plant it was processed and the name of the plant, etc. Right, and this is the movement type, right? Now, so movement types are 101 is what is the 101? It is actually the goods received. Hmm. These are the goods received, good movement, right? The incoming from a vendor, and the vendor is our selected vendor. Right? Okay. So these are these. Now there are different views of this. So you can go to ALV grid. So this is the ALV grid, and in this you have the drill down function as well. For example, if you want to uh, have a look of this material document, then you can just double click on it, and This will take you to this will take you directly to the material document. In the material, you have your partner, and you have this uh, uh, the number of vendor for which you have query, right? So there will be no other vendor other than the one which you have shown, because this list is confined to the the suppliers which were selected by you, so which you wanted you wanted to see the material document about from them, right? So these were the all the reports which were possible in it. Okay? So you can also uh, do so different filters. You can do the sorting, ascending and descending order, right? For example, if you want by material, you want to sort them, then you can uh, sort them like this. So this is these are going to be so the sort order. This is the sort order. You want the sort order to be by material, and you can set them into here, right? Sorry. So yeah. So this is selected. Now you want ascending or descending. You want ascending or you want the descending, then you select it here. If you want them to be an ascending in the material number, okay, then you can click on here. So this will apply the sort for you, and you will see all these are sorted, right? So you can customize as per your own needs the look of the desired report, and you can do further exporting of this, right? You can export them into say as a in a form of list, right? And and you can list them, right? Uh, Also, you can have uh, mm, I mean, there is a sort of there is a button I wanted to show you. Yeah, this is the button which exports you the things for if it is exportable, right? Then you will see it. This is the export button, right? So let's take it back to its previous position, and then you can have this is a non-ELV look in which you can process the report, but you can, if you want a spreadsheet sort of thing, then you can click in here. So this will take you to this ALV grid view. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and we will come up with more interesting material on the SAP reports and standard reports and customized reports. So stay tuned to our channel and support our channel. Thank you very much.